Farem Abdulrahman huwa l-kap eżekuttiv ta' Smart City wara r-riżenja ta' Claudio Grech. Bosta kienu dawk li interpretaw ir-riżenja ta' Claudio Grech bħala sinjal negattiv għal dan il-proġett. Iżda Abdulrahman jgħid li ġie Malta biex Smart City issir. First of all, will the project take place as originally planned?
Yes, definitely. I can assure you for that.
The first phase of the project is due next year. Will the deadline be met?
Yes. Next year, by July, the building will be ready.
Din l-ewwel fażi tal-proġetti kbira 12,000 metru kwadru u l-ewwel kumpaniji mistennija jibdew jokkupawha mis-sena d-dieħla. Għalkemm jgħid li hemm interess kbir minn kumpaniji fis-settur, s'issa m'hemm l-ebda ftehim konkluż.
We are talking to many potential business partners, and hopefully there will be some announcement.
But there are already deals concluded?
So far, no, but there are a lot of in the pipeline.
Dwar l-impjiegi, Abdulrahman qal li Smart City għadha kommessa li toħloq 5,600 impjieg ġdid. Mistoqsi jekk din iċ-ċifra tinkludix ukoll persuni barranin li se jiġu jew jinġibu jaħdmu Malta, il-kap eżekuttiv ma kienx jaf iwieġeb. The generation of 5,600 jobs is still your promised target?
Absolutely, that's our commitment to Malta, and we will achieve it.
And this figure includes foreign workers?
Well, see, that's not a number that I can give you or I can assure you, because at the end of the day, the companies, they will be recruiting.
Abdulrahman huwa ottimist li pajjiżna kapaċi jkollu l-ħaddiema bil-ħiliet neċessarji, imma appella sabiex aktar żgħażagħ Maltin jieħdu interess f'dan il-proġett. Il-kap eżekuttiv qal ma kien hemm ebda sfida partikolari minn bdew ix-xogħol fuq il-proġett u qed ikollhom laqgħat regolari mal-MEPA. Finalment One News staqsa meta se jkun lest il-proġett kollu kif ppjanat b'5,600 persuna jaħdmu bih.
We're talking about 10 to 12 years. Then you will see everything completed.